Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So we have 8 minus b. We want to cancel about the square root. So we need to put the power 2 on here and here. To create about this one, we need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and the denominator. And now we have like this. Now this one we simplify and we have like this. So 1 minus 1 we cancel. Next, we put the negative in here and here. So this one we have s squared minus s. And now we simplify it and we have like this. Next, this one we can put s plus 1 to the power of 1 over 2. The integration of this one, we have negative s plus 1 to the power of 3 over 2 over 3 over 2. Now we just consider about this one. So we can use about integration integration by hyperbolic substitution. So I will put about s equal to sin t. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both side and we have cos t dt. So I will put this one gone here. And ds we change by this one. So this one we have cos t squared. The square root of this one we have cos t. So cos t and cos t we have cos t squared. Now we have the formula in here. So we have cos t squared equals to cos 2t plus 1 over number 2. Now I will put this one gone here. So number 2 I will put outside. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 sin 2t. Number 1, that is about t. And I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So I will change by t equal to arc sin of s. So I will put this one to change for t. Now we need to go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.